Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus tan t square. Later that we change for secant of t square, and then we need to simplify 5 over 2 and dx. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equal to secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. Dx we change for this one. This one that is about secant of t square. So the power number 2 with the power 5 over 2. 5 over 2 multiplied by number 2. So we have number 5. Now we need to simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And this one that is about cosine t to the power of 3. So for this one, we can put cosine t and cosine t square. Now we have the formula in here. So because we have cosine t square, so I will put this one go to the right. So cosine t square we change for 1 minus sine t square. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine t. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. This one we change for u, and that is about u square. Cosine t dt we change for du. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine t. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arctan of x. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.